Welcome back to Backyard Texas Barbecue. Today I'm making the best marinated chicken. So my name is Kristen, and every Friday I share a barbecue recipe that anyone could make. So my recipes are simple and delicious and can be made just in your backyard. So today I'm making a chicken marinade that I grew up with. It's one of my most favorites and it only has 5 ingredients. Now the secret to this marinade is to let it marinate overnight or at least 8 hours. You want it to soak into your chicken. So first we're gonna start in the kitchen making the marinade, and then we're gonna head out to the pellet grill and I'll show you how I cook it out there. All right guys, if you're ready, let's get cooking.
Now I like to put my marinade in a gallon-sized Ziploc bag. It just makes the cleanup so easy. So I'm gonna take a half cup of soy sauce and put it right into the bag. Next, I'm gonna grab Sprite or any lemon lime soda. Just make sure it's not diet. So you're gonna add a can or about 1.5 cups of your favorite lemon lime soda. Now you just need a little bit of oil for the marinade. So I like to use vegetable oil, about 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. You can use canola oil if you want. And then last, you need about a teaspoon of horseradish sauce. Now, if you don't want to buy a whole thing of horseradish sauce, my mom used to go to Arby's and get some of those little packets, and those work perfectly. And that is all there is to this marinade. So go ahead and zip it up, mix it around really well, and then we are ready to put the chicken in. So I just want to show you my little trick with chicken. Now these are chicken breasts and they're really thick in the middle and then they get really thin on one side. So in order to even it out a little bit so they cook more evenly, I just like to take off the top of the chicken breast so it will not only make it more even, but it will cook a lot faster if it's not so thick. But if you still want large chicken breasts, you can just throw them right into the marinade and it will still taste delicious. But I like them thinner so the marinade will get everywhere in every bite. So now it's time to just throw the chicken into your freezer bag, zip it up, make sure all the air is out, and then stick it in your fridge for 8 hours. You can even do up to 48 hours and it will taste amazing. Once it's done marinating, it's time to put all the chicken onto the grill. Now mine's set at 350 degrees and you're just gonna cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes on each side. Once it's been about 10 minutes, because they are thinner, I'm doing 10 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and just flip them over. I'm gonna close the lid here and let them cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. Now you want the internal temperature to be 165 degrees, or you can cut it open to make sure that it's cooked all the way through. Now once they're done, pull them off, go ahead and wrap foil around them and let them rest for a few minutes.
All right, chicken is done. Now I love to serve this just plain like this. You really don't need any sauces because the marinade has soaked into the chicken and it just tastes amazing. But if you do want to serve it with something else, sometimes I like to serve it over salad, or you can even chop it up and use it on tacos or however else you like to eat your chicken. But let's try it, shall we? Yep, it's good. Now, if you are looking for some other delicious side dishes, you can check out my smoked baked beans up there. And then also I have some delicious creamy coleslaw right there. All right guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you next Friday.